By the end of the video, we'll know from beginner to pro. Designing your bodyweight workout plan. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of fitness and wellness. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of bodyweight workouts. The beauty of bodyweight workouts is that they require absolutely no equipment. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Whether you're stuck at home or on vacation, these workouts are your ticket to staying fit and healthy. Now, let's get started on designing your own bodyweight workout plan. 1. Start with a warm-up. 5 minutes of basic stretches, unlike cardio, will get your muscles ready for action. 2. Move on to your workout. Choose from the following exercises: push-ups, squats, lunges, burpees, planks, mountain climbers, and Russian twists. Set a goal of completing 3 sets of each exercise with 10 reps each. 3. Cool down. Finish with some light stretching to prevent cramps and improve flexibility. 4. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after your workout to avoid dehydration. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness goals. Start small and gradually increase the intensity as you progress from beginner to pro. And always remember to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs to recover post-workout. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on this fitness journey. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.